Hi, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading, and today I'm going to cover one of the requests that I had in the trading room where I talk about candle patterns a fair amount. And I was personally mentored by Steve Neeson and became a certified trainer. And I have just years of experience with candles as well after working for Steve Neeson. One of the things I'm going to highlight for you right now is I had a request in the trading room to cover specific patterns. I think we have a good setup right now in bonds. And one of the things that we're looking at right here from yesterday's candle is we have a piercing candle. Okay, so a piercing candle is a two candle pattern where the first candle is bearish, the second candle is bullish, and it's a potential reversal. So one of the things to note with the piercing candle is that initially when yesterday's candle opened for TLT, this is the longer term bond ETF, it opened to the downside. It gapped down. So initially on the open yesterday, it looked bearish and it looked like it was going to continue lower. That's one of the criteria for a piercing candle. You want it to, on the open, look like it's still going bearish. But what happens is this piercing candle at the close needs to retrace 50% or more of the previous bearish body. So just eyeballing this, we can see that the close of yesterday's candle on TLT definitely retraced. I don't have to get out the magnifying glass on this one. Definitely retraced more than 50% of that body. So we have a potential reversal candle. What's even more helpful is when you can get a catalyst. So I'm looking at this pre-market. Let's take a look at what's going on with TLT pre-market. Okay, it's pretty much ripping. So whenever something's moving strongly, it's good to ask why. Well, we just got this news that the Treasury Department is announcing, increased sizes for the long end of bonds. And financial juice here is showing that as a result, the dollar's dropping, S&P 500 moving up, and we've got, bonds ripping as a result. So keep an eye on this today. This could be good for a longer term trade. And it's not surprising to me sometimes. I've seen this a number of times where you can see price starting to reverse ahead of some type of news because somebody probably knew that was going to happen, right? So when you see a piercing candle like this, it is a potential good setup, particularly after it's coming after a downtrend. TLT hit a 52-week low yesterday. So those can be potential support points. And yeah, TLT, keep an eye on it. See if it can form a bottom here. It does have about a 4.8% yield to it. And also one thing I want to make sure you're aware of is that you can take a look right here and go to bctnow.com/join. And when you head to bctnow.com/join, you can get 30 days of access to Basecamp's trading rooms for just $7. All right, so keep an eye on TLT, and I hope this helps.